In a recent revelation, the Dutch MP and to-be Prime Minister Geert Wilders has brought to light a concerning fatwa issued by a Muslim extremist leader, sparking debates about religious extremism and its implications for the society. Wilders exposes the alarming threat posed by Dr. Muhammad Asif Jalali, who issued a fatwa inciting violence against him, raising concerns about terrorism and safety of public figures.
20 को उसने ट्वीट किया कि जलाली का मेरे बारे में वाजिबुल कत्ल होने का फतवा है। वो गैरेट विल्डर जिसने खाके बनाए मेरे नबी अलैहि सलाम के, कहता है मुझे रातों को नींद नहीं आती। मैंने जवाब में कहा मेरा फतवा फाइनल है।
I'm in the problems now with my personal security because I got 5 fatwas from Pakistan, from many Arab countries, where imams and mullahs said that I had to be killed.
The targeting of public figures like Wilders raises questions about safety of individuals in the public eye and the responsibility of religious leaders in promoting peaceful coexistence. Ensuring the safety and security of public figures is essential for upholding democratic values and protecting freedom of expression.
Because I got 5 fatwas from Pakistan, from many Arab countries.
फांसी दी जाए गैरेट विल्डर्स को। गैरेट विल्डर्स जिसने गुस्ताखाना खाके बनाए मेरे नबी अलैहि सलाम के, हमारा ये मुतालबा है कि उसे उम्मत मुस्लिमा के सुपुर्द किया जाए और उसे फांसी दी जाए गैरेट विल्डर्स को।
So at the end of the day, we make this criticism normal because we know that the elite who is ignoring it and who is calling us racist, but we are everything but racist. In Holland and in so many other countries, the indigenous people are the people that are discriminated against. It's not the people who are entering our country. In Holland, people get housing, asylum seekers get housing, and they get preferential housing before the Dutch indigenous people. So who is discriminating who? And people are really angered about that.
नेदरलैंड में भौंक रहा था कि जलाली पे पाबंदी लगाई जाए, इसे जेल में डाला जाए।
Kunnen inventariseren aan wat we kunnen doen. En ik heb, voorzitter, de heer professor Goedemorgen. Ja, ik ben echt oprecht verbaasd en ook wel geschokt eerlijk gezegd, want ja, we waren toch bezig met goede en constructieve gesprekken, ook stukken van de mensen zelf. Acknowledge that Islam is an influential ideology that fosters hatred and terror, and as a result is not compatible with the values of the Netherlands. Close our borders right away to asylum seekers and immigrants originating from Islamic countries. We should withdraw from the Schengen Agreement and reintroduce our own border controls. 3. Begin by dismantling Islamic institutions like mosques. Start by closing foreign-funded mosques, including those that receive funding from abroad and are under the authority of Diyanet, the Turkish Ministry of Religious Affairs, and not us. 4. Lock up anyone who threatens or uses violence or deport them from our country, and if necessary, take preventive action against those hundreds of supporters and thousands of sympathizers of the jihadist movement in the Netherlands. And 5, Chairman, request all schools, newspapers, media to display a Muhammad cartoon. In order not to provoke, but to demonstrate that we never give in to threats and violence, and that we proudly and firmly support our freedom.
Nou, hoe was het gesprek?
Het was een goed gesprek, het was constructief en ik heb namens de VVD weer aangegeven dat we graag over inhoud gaan praten.
En u zegt al een tijdje dat u
Een positief gesprek ook. En ik denk ook dat die 2 gesprekken gewoon hartstikke goed zijn. Een goed idee van de verkenner. Ik ga het goed slot.
मार्च को वो भौंका गैरेट बिल्डर नेदरलैंड में भौंक रहा था कि जलाली पे पाबंदी लगाई जाए, इसे जेल में डाला जाए। फिर 26 को उसने ट्वीट की।
In conclusion, Wielders' revelation serves as a reminder of the complex interplay between religion, politics, and society. By promoting dialogue, understanding, and cooperation, we can challenge extremist ideologies and build a more peaceful and inclusive world for future generations. A Times Online report. Fatwas are authoritative rulings in Islamic laws which wield significant influence over social and religious matters, impacting Muslim communities worldwide. Understanding the context and implications of fatwas is crucial for fostering dialogue and promoting understanding among diverse communities. These rulings, often issued by respected clerics or institutions, shape societal norms and guide adherents' actions, reflecting the complexity of religious jurisprudence and the diversity of interpretations within Islam. From mundane issues to complex global controversies, fatwas cover a wide spectrum of topics influencing behavior and beliefs within Muslim societies. While some fatwas promote peace and harmony, others exploit it for political ends or incite violence, underscoring the need for nuanced understanding and dialogue. The global impact of fatwas extends beyond religious communities, shaping public discourse and influencing policy making in countries. Understanding the diverse perspectives on fatwas is essential for promoting tolerance, respect, and peaceful coexistence in our increasingly interconnected world. Wielders' revelation highlights the importance of addressing religious extremism and promoting mutual respect and understanding among individuals of different faiths. By fostering dialogue and cooperation, we can challenge extremist ideologies and build a more inclusive and harmonious society.